Hari Om parents, class 1 children. Here again I am with your last lesson number 11. This is a very beautiful moral story children, King Bruce and the Spider. So what is the first advice of mine children? So whenever in the life you are getting failure, you are getting upset, you are getting disturbed and you are not trying to attempt next time. So once you are getting failed, you are crying, your mommy daddy are scolding and you are losing your hope. So that is not the correct attitude children. So whenever you are getting failed, that means you are next time definitely you will do better. So always you should try and achieve your success. In this story also, King Bruce also got disappointed when he defeated. जेतेबेले से King Bruce ए स्टोरी रे हारी जाइतिले, से मध्ये सेमती माने हताश हे पड़तिले, किंतु गोटे छोटो स्पाइडर माने जानि पिला माने गोटे छोटो पोकोटू से देखि कि नेकी एनकरेज हेतिले और इंस्पायर हेतिले, से जितितिले. Isn't it beautiful this thing story children? So let's learn the story. Let's read children, page number 66 open. Long ago King Bruce ruled Scotland. You must have heard about the land Scotland, that is, it's a name of a place. One day there one king was there. What is his name children? King Bruce. The king of England attacked Scotland. King Bruce had to face defeat. So what happened? Kings they will fight in the war. So what happened? King Bruce was the king of Scotland. England king came and attacked him once and he defeated माने हारी गले से युद्ध रे के King Bruce. So to save his life he ran away from the battlefield. Scotland came under the control of King England. So what happened children? Suppose another country's king will come and defeated this king will run away or he will be under that king. He will be working as a some small post he will be working and they will become the king of this particular. So what happened? Scotland became England's king came and he attacked Scotland. King Bruce ran away. King Bruce, what happened? He felt very afraid because he defeated, he lost his kingdom. So to save his life, England's king, in case he may kill him, that's why to save his life what he did, he got afraid and he ran away to forest. Se jangalo ku doriki polele karana England raja kale taku mari debe boli. King Bruce hid in a cave in a forest. Staying in the forest, he built an army of soldiers and attacked England with that army. But unfortunately, he faced defeat again. The second defeat disheartened him. So he left everything and went to live in a cave deep inside the forest. So what happened children? Whenever in olden days what used to happen? One king is running away from the field, battlefield, he is going and again he is making one army and again he is trying to attack his same place to win this thing in battle. But कौन होतला? एमती एक से माने पुणी थर जीत जाउतला. आगो काल रे एमती होतला. गोटे राजा जदी हारी जाउतला, से जदी लुच्ची की पळे गला, से आउ थरे सैन्य मान को इकट्ठा करके पुणी जाय कि से लड़ी गिरी से तार राज्य को फेरी पाउतला. So like that only same here Bruce also went to forest and created one army. Then what happened? Again second time he went to fight with England's king, where who was defeated him in Scotland and staying in Scotland as a king. So what happened? Unfortunately, दुर्भाग्यवशत कौन हला? Very unluckily what happened? Again second time he lost his battle. Second time मध्य से युद्ध रे हारी गले. One day he was sitting idle in the cave when he saw a spider was climbing up the wall to reach its web. So spider माने तुम जानते हो पिलाने से एंती गोल करके बुले देबो तार ये घरटा 10 थर से भांगुतबो से घरटा तयारी करतबो तमे देखिथिबो. तो से कौन माने किंग ब्रूस वाज सिटिंग इन द केव माने गोटे एंती गुंफा बळिया बण भितर एंती गुंफा बळिया एंती बडो गात बळिया थिबो गोटे पाखरे माने खालो बळिया कोणा बळिया थिबो से भीतर को गले से भीतर हमें रही परिबा केते जण सिमती गोटे केव भीतर चुपचाप से disheartened माने से बहुत हताश की बसिथिले. He was sitting. What he observed children? One spider was trying to climb and his web was breaking. Again it is trying to climb. So how many times it climbed, children? It just climbed a little when it slipped and fell down. But after failing, it started climbing again. Se puni thare spider ta chotto pokota puni chodila. This went on a number of times. Bahut thara se spider ta chodila. Ke dekutila eta? Who was observing? Our Scotland king. Who? What was his name? King Bruce. Yet every time the spider fell, it tried again. It did not give up. Wow. Every time it was climbing, it was getting failure. It did not give up. माने से बंद कला नहीं, से hope छाड़िला नहीं. आमे मु first रे मु तो मु कहली, you should never lose your hope whenever you are getting fail. You have to try again. You have to try. Definitely you will get success. Like that, King Bruce was watching the spider's attempts. He counted the spider attempts. When the spider fell for the 16th time, King Bruce thought, what is this spider is going to do now? 16 times. So, spider ta podigala taro ghara bandhibi boli. So, 16th time when it fell down, King thought, kon karibo ye ette thara podigala. This many times it fell down. What the spider will do now? It will definitely stop its attempts. So, nischay bhabare se hatta se kari band kar debo, because the Bruce was also like that only. He was getting very much disappointment, and he thought, second time also I lost my battle, so I don't want to go. He was very much depressed. But the spider gave yet another try. So 17th time also the spider again it tried and went. This time he reached his web successfully completed. So he built his house beautifully, and 17th time it got successful. This had a deep effect on the king's thought. Mane king thought, "Arey, such a small insect tried 16 times and 17th time he attempted and got success. If a small spider did not give up, why should I give up?" So one strong determination he got in his mind. Both strong से एथर भाबिले, अरे गोटे छोट पोकटे मते एते भलो शिक्षा देछि, मु एथर चेष्टा करबी. So what happened? Bruce again gathered soldiers and attacked England. With a lot of inspiration by seeing from spider, this time he attacked England. This time he fought with all his might and won the battle. So what happened, children? Happy news. So this time with all his battle he went, and with all his energy, morally and physically now very much strong and determination he has got. Now he won the battle. Se ethar kon kale third time jiti gale. He became the king of Scotland again because he did not give up. Like spider, he did not give up, and third time he went and he got his land back, and happily he started living in his own kingdom. So isn't it very beautiful story, children? So what you have learned? You should never give up in your lifetime in any field also. Let it be games, let it be studies, let it be anything. You should try and definitely get success. Thank you, children.